My dream is to rid the ocean of all plastics and human trash, and this correlates with the UN Goal 14, Life Below Water. Pieces of plastics can be consumed by marine animals, and they can die while their stomachs are filled with this debris. Tiny invisible plastics can also be found in human drinking water and contaminate seafood, which can then be ingested and infect human health. Also, the process of incinerating plastic waste adds carbon dioxide into the air, which increases our carbon emissions. Since the pandemic started, there has been an increase in the production of PPE, which contributes to the environmental pollution. People have also started to discard masks improperly, which increases the amount of pollution in our waterways, which can end up in the greater ocean. I'm from the Bay Area and frequent the Oakland Estuary. The estuary is a combination of salt and freshwater that connects to the Pacific Ocean and is home to a diverse spectrum of species, making it an important ecosystem and habitat. However, the Oakland Estuary has been heavily polluted. Just this past year, 50,000 pounds of sewage were dumped inside it. I have seen cushions, trash, bottles, and many other forms of plastic trash floating in the water, but I also see the seals and birds that live in this precious habitat. So my plan is to limit the amount of trash entering the estuary. It starts with the waterways that feed into the estuary. I'd plan to use a barrier that traps the plastic and trash before it leaves the river or stream that empties it into the estuary. With technology like a bubble barrier, we can intersect this trash. The bubble barrier works by using a tube with holes to pump air bubbles from below the water. This screen of bubbles creates an upward pressure, bringing waste to the surface. It uses the natural current to help guide plastic to an area to be caught. It allows for fish and other animals to pass through, but the plastic will be stopped. Thank you for watching. I hope that I can implement my plan and protect our precious ecosystems.